Okay, one more trip through the backyard so we can take a look at this and sort of get an idea on what we're going to do. This is going to take all next year, so let's take a look-see. Okay, this is the backyard. Let's do this smoother. Okay, so the deck is going to be right over here, where the deck is going to go. And then we've got this thing here, unfortunately, is going to go. Kids no longer use it. It was made and built 8 years ago. I remember that chore. That was quite the day. We got the fire pit here. We've got to move those. All of those have got to get moved. We're going to start getting some paths. Those trees. Take some time getting those. That thing there is going to be in the middle. We're basically going to have to build a path to it and some stuff around it. Little by little. So all in all, not too bad of a thing. This is going to be a fun job. I'm going to take over this backyard. We're going to build an urban garden, urban forest, basically. Fruit trees, fruit-bearing plants. It's a yard that will provide food year-round. That's what I'm after. Even in the winter, there will be things here. And under the deck, we'll build a cold storage for winter. Alright, that's all I got. That's it. The Rogues Tavern. Check me out. Check me out on the Rogues Tavern. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the buttons down below. Go check out theroguestavern.com for more information and tidbits as it comes alive.